Hello everybody, I'm Cat Alaric Boy Bus. Okay, I play Geometry Dash. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. Okay, I'm doing like press start. This level name is press start. I'm not kidding. Okay, I do this. Okay, this is easy. It's easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Labels! Free coins! Free coins! 3 coins! Like, wow. My friend play Code Simulator. But goodbye, my friends. See you next time. But wait a minute. Like my videos, subscribe my channel, and goodbye.